Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PostgreSQL using pgBackRest and S3 storage. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have PostgreSQL installed on your server. Next, install pgBackRest by downloading the appropriate package for your operating system. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation using your system's package manager. After installation, create a configuration directory for pgBackRest. Navigate to the pgBackRest configuration directory. Create a configuration file named backrest.conf. Open the configuration file in your preferred text editor. Add the necessary sections for your PostgreSQL setup. Define the database path to your PostgreSQL cluster. Specify the backup and archive storage paths. In the storage configuration, set up your S3 bucket details. Include your S3 access key and secret key in the configuration file. Set the S3 region where your bucket is located. Next, configure the archive settings for pgBackRest. Make sure to set up the scheduling for automatic backups if desired. Save and close the configuration file. Now, run a test to check if pgBackRest is installed correctly. Use the command pgBackRest help to verify the installation. After confirming the installation, initialize your backup repository. Execute the pgBackRest stanza create command. This step ensures that pgBackRest recognizes your PostgreSQL database. Verify the stanza creation by running backrest info. Now, it's time to create your first backup. Execute the backup command using backrest backup. Monitor the backup progress to ensure the operation completes successfully. Once the backup is complete, verify its integrity with the backrest info command. If you want to restore from the backup, use the restore command. Specify the target directory for the restoration process. Recheck your configuration before proceeding with the restore. After confirming everything, execute the restore command. Monitor the restoration progress for any potential issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.